Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to restore your deleted project on your Canva application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Canva application, and here I will like to show you the example first. So we need to delete the project. So let's say here, let's go visit the project and delete a random project that I have. So let's say I will let you delete this invoice project. So you just need to go click this three small dot and move to trash. So you can see now those project is already disappeared from my account. Even though you back to home, you will not gonna find those project. So how to restore them? Go click these three straight lines on the left corner, and after that you just need to go like scrolling down until you find a trash. And here they will be collected the project that you just deleted for last 30 days. So the Canva will help you to keep your project that you delete for 30 days, and they will be permanently deleted from your phone after 30 days. So make sure that you periodically check the project that you have been deleted. So yeah, in case you still need them. So if you just sure that every project that you have been deleted is just finished, you can also delete them from trash, so you can permanently make those projects disappear from your phone. Okay, back to the tutorial. So let's bring back this invoice into our phone by go click this three small dot here and just simply click restore. And now let's go back into home, and you'll see the invoice project is already back to us. So that's the way how to restore the project that you have been deleted on Canva. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.